Oh, yeah, we're back.
Hey!
There's new maps, apparently. There's a bunch of new maps.
10,
9, 8, 5,
5, 4,
3, 2,
2,
fish, ding, ding, ding.
ding, 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 ding. I didn't got a combat weapon. I hate my life so much. What do you want from me? Not even in the other chest. What do you want from me, game? What did I do wrong?
I really wish that we had face cam. I really wish that we had face cam.
If you would see my face.
Well, I was talking about my face. I am smashed. Did you not get a weapon?
Yeah, no, I don't.
Dead.
Okay, you can play that round.
I has no ball. Jolle?
Yes.
Fate hurts. Killed myself.
Good. Jump. Jump.
3, 2, 2, 5, 8, 9, 6, 1.
Jumping. Oh, netto chata.
Fish. What's this map? This map? I'm getting tired of this map.
Okay, it's getting tired.
This map. How much money do I have? A lot. Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
So hungry?
I'm so hungry.
I'll make some toasters.
Oh, I got a weapon.
I got a demon sword.
I got an axe. This is so beautiful.
and a diamond helmet and
I got a weapon.
and lava and ice and mushroom stir. And an egg.
This is beautiful.
Not as beautiful as me. In another universe.
Where is everyone?
On this universe.
I can't see anyone. Everyone's in
Do
green.
you want a diamond helmet?
Yeah, I would love a demon helmet. And a demon sword.
Demon helmet? And a demon sword?
Yes.
I can't see anybody either. Is this like... I can see you! Oh, now I can see everybody.
Oh! I can't see no one.
You can see me, that's for sure.
Ah! Dude! I'm warning you!
You killed me!
I did?
Yes, you did! You suck!
I do?
Yes! Oh my god, I'm so tired of you killing everybody.
I'm fine.
3, 2... Kill yourself already.
Just gonna do YOLO. Because if you do YOLO, you die.
La 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 la.
I'm sick and tired of your little...
Wrecking ball. We should live stream.
We should live stream. We should live stream.
Oh, no, I fell into the portal.
You fell into the portal.
I fell. Would you jump in as soon as you could? Really? You have 6 more players. 5 more players.
I killed someone.
Oh, jump off! What are you doing?
I killed someone.
Alright, then I'll play around alone. 3.
No way! I'm gonna do YOLO, please! I jumped off the cliff, please.
Yeah, but I'm on my favorite map.
Oh, you suck! I jumped off for you. Now you have to jump up for me,
No.
dude.
I've jumped off.
I'm gonna call my anonymous teddy bear. Come here,
Go
anonymous
away.
teddy
Press E to open your inventory. Will you go away? Press F1.
Look at my beautiful teddy bear. It has my teddy bear has hair. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at
I
this.
can't even see it. You don't have face cam.
Look at this.
You're gonna need to send a picture to me on a...
Look, isn't he beautiful?
Can't see it!
Open your Skype, dudes.
No.
Look. Look.
Oh god, the lag. The lag spike.
So cute teddy bear.
Gonna need to turn that off. You're lagging me out, Jolle.
Turned it off.
Thank you.
My teddy bear is gonna be an anonymous. Go teddy bear with the anonymous.
Okay, I don't have a weapon. As Pandas can see.
Oh my god! Hold on, I made the cutest thing ever. BRB.
Well, Jolly tapped out. I missed him already. Alright, okay. I don't have a weapon. It's gonna go really badly. Da-da-da-da! Oh, that went really well. If you ask me. And that hit a tree. Oh, and that dude just died. Hi, guy! Oop. 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 Weapon. Jump. I the best. A weapon! Woo! No. Lava. Another fishing rod. Fishing rods are really useful.
Don't step on my food is.
Not today. But maybe tomorrow.
I'm so hungry.
Well, then eat something.
I am. Gonna make sandwich. When we done recording.
Then we're done with all.
Okay.
While we're live streaming, you could live stream yourself making a sandwich. Look at any. Oh no.
You want to live stream me making a sandwich?
Yeah, best content we've ever made.
Me making a
Don't
sandwich.
Win?
Really?
Oh god, I think I won that battle. Gosh, I did. I don't know. It was like I was hitting him and I was like, "Don't tap my food."
So guys, if you want to see me live streaming making a sandwich, if we get
50 subs.
No, if we get 60 subs, I swear on my heart that I'm gonna live stream me making a sandwich.
And I will too.
No, just me.
Oh, well, that might be a problem.
No,
Yeah.
it won't be.
How are you gonna live stream without internet?
My internet's
Sucks.
suck, but they can live stream.
Said no one ever.
Said no family member in this house ever.
Well, now
Dude, I saw my teddy bear and I got the best idea ever. So I put on the anonymous mask on him and a hat, and he looks fabulous.
Fabulous. Go away. No. Look, I has water. What's that? Oh, a cobblestone generator. Was that on purpose? I don't know. You made a cobblestone generator. I hope you're proud of yourself now. I'm just gonna block it up with ice. Ow, don't hit me. This is so weird. Okay, how about we eat a G apple, a GG apple. That dude's gonna come behind you and kill you, and then I'm gonna help him. Then you're gonna die. Then that dude's gonna block off the water, and then I'm gonna die. I has no blocks.
No.
I know, the water's on that side. Hiya! Cha-cha-cha! Chop-chop-chop-chop-chop! Chop-chop-chop-chop-chop-chop-chop! You're gonna die, son. Died, son.
Yeah.
I believe
Love food.
That dude was like camping on the top of the water, like, I'm gonna kill him when he comes up, and then like I come up, and then he wastes like 2 seconds before hitting me, and by that time he's already dead.
I do
He's a
believe.
D-sword. He's a D-sword.
Are you done?
Nope.
I'm derping around in spawn.
Oh my god, my dog just jumped off my bed and I got freaking scared. I thought my window flew open. Look, you're gonna throw snowballs at me? Okay, that's fine. I'll throw an egg. Oh,
Like-
hit him! Night! Ow! Don't fish me, son. Blocks? No blocks. Snow blocks. Nope, no blocks.
Are you done?
I will never be done. I will never. Oh, look, lava. Be done. That water was getting really annoying. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'll be right. Oh my god. Dun dun dun. Oh my god. Out of the water. Now jump. Second, did you grab a dirt block? Maybe another one. What was that?
Oh, yeah, get it! No.
The jump of a lifetime. There you go. May have cheated, but we won't say that. Nobody needs to know. Nobody see. Oh god.
No, but
No but e. No but e. No but. No but sees.
no buts.
No but sees. No but knows. We aren't a sea. Oh! That was a really unlucky place. Freaking anvil, right? The exact place I dug up. There was an anvil. Did you just turn on your green gun? Yeah, no. Oh god. Just made you light. My processor, okay? How are you?